So here's a top tip for you for cleaning something like this style of Chesterfield suite. They're absolutely stunning, but as we all know, they are dust traps in areas like this. As you can clearly see, it contains a lot of dirt and dust and grime. So we would first of all blow this out with an airline. Once we've got all that blown out with the airline and removed all the dust and grime, because you don't want that to be then rubbed over the surface, because that is then going to scratch your beautiful Chesterfield suite. We would then use a brush like this, which has got a plastic ferrule on here, and this is a natural horsehair brush, and we would use that and spray into here and clean into these and then dry with a bamboo towel. With this particular type of couch, we would then clean over, spraying into a bamboo pad and rub over the surface because it's delicate. As you can clearly see, the leather is sort of delicate on here, and it's got aging and little tiny bits of colour missing when you zoom in. As you can see just here, little tiny bits of colour missing, as you can see down here as well. So you'd be paying attention to those and ensuring that you don't damage those by excessive cleaning, by scrubbing too hard with a brush. We hope you like our top tips video for today.